Kinongelam ka Harijan Panchayat Committee HPC menta kano phai Sngi ke Sngi Satjan keladan ke Jingiakren bat ke Sorkar jela ke dalam kemat dustumbut menteri rangba uba senyau bahalang dahar bakmi yeka kampan roisor. Hakane ke Jingiakren kinongelam HPC bat ke Sorkar kelas syukut bet tang haju si haju tang ke Jingiakren kem dala ban shim nepen mi irai namar ke HPC kelas pan porbiang sa khatsan Sngi na ke Sorkar haswa manai yakarai ke bakhadu. Apakren sikinong thok kubor sumbut menteri rangba ubas nyau bahalang dhar ulong makane kade ke Jingiakren kapakhadu henry nakeliang kinong mikmat ke HPC kilapan porbiang sakatsan Sngi na ke Sorkar haswa ban ai yakarai bakhadu ulong bahadin ke khatsan Sngi kanom don shu ke Jingiakren du bat ke HPC henry kin ai bet yakarai ke jongki chak Sorkar nakeliang kinongelam ke HPC kilaong maka jingpan porbiang nang Sorkar kalong makidon kimat bakidang hap Jingiakren penbet para maki.
A very positive and fruitful meetings with the Harijan Committee, and yes, there is slightly few more issues that are yet to be finalized with some of the higher organization as HPC, and we from the government side we are agree we give them 15 days more time, and there will be no more discussion before that, and within 15 days they will give a final decision. They'll communicate the government. So as of today meeting is a very positive thing. I would like to inform you. Yes, this session maybe the last 2 days. We should be the last 2 days, but since there is few issues, so the issue is very simple. They want to take everyone on board. So they request the government kindly give us at least 15 days from 2 days itself. So they will discuss some more higher organizations for this SGPT and SGPC. So then they will communicate the government whether positive or negative decision. But we are very hopeful it should be a positive decision.
So what are the points that government?
We haven't made end offer. We want them to say yes or no first for relocation. So because everything blueprint is there.
But they have not said yes till now for the relocation.
They need some more issues to discuss between them. So within 15 days, you will be getting a final decision from them.
Are they happy with the blueprint?
Yes, they are very much happy. Very much happy. They are very much happy with the blueprint.
So what is the major issue that they still need to discuss with?
No more issues. Almost all issues has been discussed, which went in the right directions, obviously. And the issues is that they will please give us. We need some few higher organization, the Punjabi thing only. So we have to give them. So the time is fixed 15 days from today.
So the next meeting will be
no more. They may communicate it only. As a meeting, no problem. We can have meeting, but no more meeting beyond 15 days. Within 15 days, will be finalized everything.
Means within August only we.
Just count from 15 days once, maybe 26, 27 only. That is the date, I think. But a very positive meeting. We are very pleased to inform you.
So, but isn't there a fear that from outside, because they're going to seek help or the others' view also? What if there's an interference or some sort of interference is being made here? So there'll be a hindrance to the decision making here.
You see, like this, the discussion between the government and the Harijan Committee. There will be no outsider will be listened to them. It's a purely discussion between the Harijan Committee and the government itself. It's totally their responsibility fully.
See, we had long discussions on the relocation issue of Punjabi Lane. We had today again we had a fruitful meeting, and still certain issues are yet to be addressed, which for that we sought around 15 days time. So after 15 days, then we will convey the final decision, and then only the things will be finalized.
What are the main issues that you still have to discuss?
See, that I can't disclose right now, but yes, there are certain issues which we need to discuss.